Here I have INFINIX Hot 11S, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the theme and lock screen, my wallpaper. You can select one of these pre-installed wallpapers, you can select one from the gallery, which you can just download from the internet or take a photo with your camera. So here you should pick a photo that you want to set it as your wallpaper, and then tap on three dots, use as wallpaper. Here you can adjust how it will look on the actual screen. Then tap apply, select if you want to set it on home screen, on lock screen, or on both screens. And as you can see, wallpaper changed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.